Hey, good day everybody. I've got this solar induction street lamp these guys sent me to do an unboxing review on. Let's check it out. This product is from A-Zone. I really like these ones because the solar panel's on the back and the light's on the front. Now the setup on this is really easy. So this piece here just goes right there and we'll screw it in. And what this does is it offers a whole bunch of variation in how you can move this thing. And so this here will go in here, so you'll be able to move it this way, and then once that's on there, this thing will allow you to pivot this way and that way, so you get a full range of positions it can be in. Now we'll go ahead and quickly assemble this. So with the lights facing up, we'll go like that. You get 2 screws here. The littlest one that you get, we're going to drop it down through that hole, and on the back we're going to put this nut here. After you put that piece on, then this is going to go right here. Then this longer screw is going to go right through here. And the nut's going to go right there. Got that on there. Now these pieces are just to mount it to the wall or a piece of wood, whatever you want to do. This is if you're going to go into drywall. I'm going to go right into some wood and use these, and it's going to go right through here, these 2 holes. All right, I got it mounted here on this board here for demo purposes, and let's see how it does at night. Super easy install, right in there. Oh, this thing is nice and bright out here. It's raining too, working good. See how much it lights up? In the rain, that's awesome. There we go. All right, this thing has 3 different modes. And all right, this thing's light enough weight too. You can like use it as a mobile light even if you want. See, I'm walking along here with it. Super bright. Let's go out to the woods. See, it'll light up the woods too. Just illuminates everything. Motion detection was working.